Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare the mutton green masala. So let's begin the video now. So guys, for green masala I have taken half kg mutton and here are the ingredients. I'll just grind them and I'll cook the mutton along these ingredients. So guys, I have taken a pan here, added a little oil. So now I will add mutton to it. So now fry the mutton with oil little. So fry this well for around 10 minutes. So guys, it is fried well now. I'll add masala to it. So mix this well now. So guys, I will add half tablespoon of turmeric powder to it. I will add 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala and 1 tablespoon of salt. So now I will mix this well and cook this for around half an hour. So guys, I have cooked this half an hour now. So here our mutton is ready already. So don't go with the color right now because since we added a couple of masalas on top of it, it is turned little red, but when you serve it, it will be greenish. So I have garnished this. It looks amazing. Let's taste now. So guys, let me taste this dish now. So the mutton is cooked so well. I'll taste this masala and tell you how it tastes actually. It tastes so good guys. Please do try this recipe and let me know how do you like this. Thank you.